Yes, hi. My name's Douglas Johnson. I work at the Circle K on 7 in Gilbert. I have a guy out here, like, threatening to kill people.
Okay.
And he just threatened to kill me.
Is he threatening with a weapon or anything?
No, he doesn't have a weapon or anything, but, yeah, he's sitting there, like, it looks like he's hallucinating off of some type of drugs. He's sitting there, like, yelling at nobody, punching at nobody. He actually just took off from the store. He went across the street over by the subway there. He's on a blue, like a dark blue bicycle. He's wearing like a grayish blue Vulcan shirt.
And you said
has
he
like
just
a diamond
across
symbol.
the street with...
Hey, get off the bike! Get off the bike! Get the fuck away from me, motherfucker! Get the fuck away from me! Motherfucker! I'm not doing anything! I'm not fucking doing anything! Get behind cover! Get behind cover! I don't have anything! I don't have a gun! Get back here, bro! I don't have a gun!